Hello guys, today we build a website for my birthday. My name is Aryan. I'm studying in Nagin in another school, Sachapur. I built a website already. I built. Now you want to see inside? See, you see all of this. Then these are our ages. 6 to 10, 11 to 4, 15 to 9. This takes 2 weeks. This takes 3 weeks. You have to put 4 weeks there. Then you see a book here. Then you go to the next page. I build all of this. Maybe over. First, this is the silence. You have to book it. Go here. Something broke again. And like something broke. Now it's fixed. You like I do all of this. Uh-huh. Something happened. Then you can put their phone number. Then click this. Already send. It's already sent. Ah, so Junior. I all did it. Something happened. Something broke. And I will contact you. It can she will send a message to you. Cleaner. The footballs. Okay. Okay. Something broke again. It's fixed now. You can send to trainers. Send to the trainer. This is not my easy. It's a chapter. It's sent for trainer. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and we are at 10K subscribers, and we are making another website at next Sunday. Then subscribe and like the video. Bye guys. Then comment the video. Hello guys. My name is Aryan. Today we are building a website. My school name is Arkan School Sajapur. Now we're building a website. First go to ChatGPT and type build a website or web for, for
my football team.
for my football team. First you build it. You already did it. Create the prompt. First press control. Then control we build. Oh no! Something broke again. Oh my god. Now it's fixed. Now I did the prompt already. Now go up, you see again, like in the last video I did a dragging game. You need to press that again. Something happened. I don't know. Something broke again. Already I did it.
I copy paste it.
I copy pasted. Now we need to press the header only. Then it can wait for 5 minutes. Just now it's building. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Start. Okay, something again broke again. What the? It started working. It's making the prompt. Building. We need to wait 5 minutes. It's working 5 minutes. Okay, it gave it some prompt. Now let's stop something. Let's wait. It's building. Now let's stop something broke again. Waiting. It was built. Now we will open. Something happened? Okay, I'll stopping something broke. Now go for something broke. Looking fun. Already we did it. Now go. Submit button submit. Submit. This look like counter did us. Now it's fixed. Okay, you want to send that message? Hello guys, my name is Aryan. I'm studying in Intel School, Sajapur. Today we are improving the website. Go to ChatGPT, type this. Okay, you type this. Then you already enter. Okay. It's started to improve. It's working. Now let's wait for 5 minutes. Now it's upgraded. Let's see. So it has sent. Okay. It has sent. Everything is wrong. Wow. Oh, it's now improved already. Okay, so where was it? Now we need to publish it. Okay. Something broke again. See the pop. We publish it. Wow, very good. Okay, so working for 4 minutes. It's working for 4 minutes, unit. It's no, I did it test. Okay, this is the same. Let's publish. It has published. We need to wait for 4,000 years because this takes some time. Published. Okay. Now you can see that. Now you can see that. Okay. It has improved the logos. These are this everything is working now. Everything is working now. You can check the programs. You can check programs. Use this is enough. Okay. And on top, let's send location you want to see. This is all what you to see that. What? Okay, you can do everything. Okay, calling that, calling. See all of this. You can send a message. Okay, this is and this. Everything. Okay, everything is working for this. For this work. It was not open this much. It was in 2002. This is my birth only. Okay, this is my year and it was. This I build all of it. Okay, there's photos. Then there is no so. There is this. Do you see want to see? There is programs called contact. Then we can contact them like, hey, sir, can I give some normal information? Okay. Thank you guys. We're hitting 1K subscribers. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. If we are making a website for my dog puppy in pet kingdoms, okay? We're making it at the next video. Bye guys.